Hello everybody and welcome back to Kaba Stream. So I'm going to do something a little bit different. I am going to be showing you my new computer stuff. I just got it all today. I'm super excited for it, and I hope all of you will be super excited with me. So the things I only got half of them, so the other half is coming on Thursday. Today is Tuesday. I really hope they come. Today is actually Tuesday the 18th, February 18th, 2020, and everything else will be coming on Thursday, 2 days away. So I'm super excited for it all to come. So what I'm going to be showing you today is half of what I got. So the first thing I want to show you, and I'm super excited for, is my 32. I got a box here. One sec. Got a box full of stuff beside me, Amazon stuff. It's my 32 gigabyte RAM. Right here is the Trident Z RGB 32 gigabyte RAM. This baby, I know everything's reflecting off of it. This baby right here, I got 4 of them. So I'm super excited. Each individual one glows. So each individual one, you can actually change the color of it. So when it's in your case, you can have one purple, blue, pink, red, whatever colors you want. You can have them in there. Whatever colors you want. You can have them in there, which will be cool. Really cool. So I'm super excited for this. So I'm going to put this off to the side, and we're going to jump in right to the next one. I'll also add in some more stuff at the end. Other things here and there. Next, we got some memory. We got the 970 Evo Plus, and just because it's got the Evo on there, it's actually, they think it's better than the Plus, which is a little bit better than the Plus. Comes with a 5-year warranty. That's going to go into my computer too. I'm super excited for it. I hope you're going to be super excited for it as well. It's 250 gigabytes, and it's awesome. Okay. On to the next thing. The next thing is this really pretty, beautiful fan. This right here is the QL140 RGB. So as you can see, it also changes colors. It can change multiple colors. I can control that through my system. And it's just a cooling fan. It's really cool, really awesome. And I'm super excited. I think I'm going to make it pink. I think I'm going to make it pink just so people kind of... I keep looking at my monitor. My freaking webcam's over here, but my monitor's right here. So I keep looking away. Sorry about that. So, on to the next thing. Which I think is really cool. It's freaking tiny. Like, tiny. This is the... Oh, you can't see it because of the wrapping. Sabrent. This is a Sabrent Rocket NVMe PCLE M2 2280 SSD. So this thing's a high performance M2 PCLE Gen 3 X4 solid state drive, and it's tiny. It is like look at this. Look at my hand compared to it. It's tiny. It is the tiniest thing I have ever bought off Amazon, and it's probably just going to make my computer very badass. The most badass thing that I have bought so far is this motherboard. One second, let me grab it. Oh my god, she is huge and heavy. This right here is the Maximus Hero, the ROG Maximus Hero. This thing is massive, like massive, and it's just beautiful. So just to show you how massive it is, we're gonna open it up. Sorry, bumped the mic. Let me just open this baby up, and we're actually gonna pull this baby out. We're gonna pull it out just to show you how big this thing is. All right, move the box for a sec. The box is huge too. This baby right here, just look how big this thing is. It's beautiful. It's shiny. It's huge. This thing also glows. The whole upper part and the whole bottom part here can glow, and you can change the glowiness on it as well, which is really cool. I'm gonna put it back in the case because I don't want to break it. I have my tech guy, which is actually my brother, my other brother, my older brother actually, who built my last computer. So he built my last computer. He's gonna build this computer for me, and he and I went through and found all the parts for this. We found every part we needed to build this. And actually, we used a really cool site. If I don't think you guys really, I don't think it's a PC Maker. One sec. I'm just gonna look at my phone just to make sure I am saying the correct things. So I put you to the right site, because if I don't put you to the right site, then I'm just gonna feel terrible. So bear with me for a sec. Bear with me. Bear with me to find this site. It is called PCPartPicker.com. PCPartPicker.com. I will put a link in the description below for anyone who wants to kind of look. And it's the best place that I have found, that my brother has showed me, to build a computer or to see pre-built computers. Like, they have a bunch of pre-built computers. I'm just going to put this over here. I'm just gonna put that over there. So on to the next thing. And this is one of the cheapest things that I have bought. And it's the Hyper 212 Evo. Hyper 212 Evo, and that's just going to cool down my computer. It's the cheapest thing, but it will do its job, and it'll do its job nicely. So I don't have to worry too much about it. It's a good buy. It's highly recommended, and I am not worried about it. That thing is going to be cool. The computer overall is going to be cool. I am so excited. I bought a new case, everything. I went for the lower end price range, $300 and something dollar. Wow, lost my train of thought there. Video card. It's nice. It's not the best. It's not the Titan. Like the Titan, ugh. That thing's expensive as F. Okay, right here, the MS, the GeForce GTX Ventus XS Super. So it's the GeForce GTX 660 Super. That is my new video card. It's not the Titan, I know, and it's not anything close to the Titan, but it will run any game I want pretty much as good as I want. Hopefully. But with the computer I'm putting it in, it will. So, I'm not worried. Alright, next thing in my box. I think it's the last and final thing in my box, and that is my fan controller. And my fan controller controls the speeds of every fan in my new computer. It's going to control all of them. So that will be beside my computer. It will has little switches on it, so I can turn my fans to 1, to 2, to 3, to 4, each individual fan, and controls it. Just controls my fans. Alright, and then I think I have one more thing. It's not anything big, so I just throwing everything kind of somewhat back into the box. And the last thing I have is this. Oh, baby here. Ugh. This isn't really anything. This is just something I kind of wanted to show. It is a single monitor desk stand, and it's huge. It goes all the way up to, I think, let me just look through the instructions here. It goes all the way up to about 12 feet. I think it is 6 feet, 6, 9, 12, 6, 9, 12 inches, something like that. I went from 12 feet to 12 inches. No, not 12 inches. It goes to about, it's going to sit above my computer, probably about 26, 26, 30 something. I don't know. I can look up the specs. I should probably actually look up the specs. One sec. Give me a sec. Give me 1 second here. I'm going to look up the specs just to check out what it actually goes up to. It goes up to 27 inches. So I was, pretty close. You can also get that off of Amazon. Everything I bought so far is off of Amazon, which is good because I have Amazon Prime and it really works for me. So this baby goes up to 27 inches and it's heavy, tall, and it's built to handle its shit. It's built to handle its shit. So I will attach a few clips of different sites, the PC Maker site and everything as well, onto this thing so that you can check them all out. I will put them all into the description below, and I hope you all join me for part 2, where I reveal the rest of my computer. I should be getting my new computer case tomorrow. I will show it off. I will hold it up and be like, yeah, check it out. But so far, this is everything I've received, and the rest of the stuff will be coming on Thursday. So look forward to that. Yeah. All right, everybody. Stay awesome, and have a good day, or night, or evening, or whenever you're watching this video.